In just a moment, I'm going to share with you the most powerful tool for finding unsaturated products that 99% of dropshippers don't even know about. And that's because this tool is used for a completely different industry that most people wouldn't even think of. Now, before I share that website with you, I just want to say that I'm a smaller creator trying to help other dropshippers grow. And the way I'm going to do that is by sharing these super underrated tools and strategies. So all I ask in return is that you leave a like and subscribe. All right, so the tool in question is called the Daily Virals. This is a popular tool amongst TikTok shop affiliates. If you're not sure what that is, basically TikTok allows creators to promote different products and they earn a commission for every sale. So if you look back on my YouTube channel, this is actually one of the first things I started to talk about. And it's a great opportunity to find hidden gems, largely because not every dropshipper has access to this or even knows about this, because it's kind of really used in the affiliate space. And it's a fairly new software that most people don't even know about. There are a lot of pros to this, and I'm going to break down every step of the way. And I personally use this exact tool to do really well for myself and find some really cool products that I was able to scale up and make some solid money with. So the way it works is the Daily Virals has API connection to TikTok. So anytime a
This man either says the wildest shit I've ever.
TikTok shop affiliate video starts to pop off and do really well, the Daily Virals will be able to automatically pull that data from there. So the reason why this tool is so powerful is because you can literally find videos going viral in real time, starting to pick up and make sales in real time. And this is so important because, as we all know, and if you don't know, now you will know, TikTok pretty much sets the trend for most e-commerce products, especially on Facebook, right? So a lot of Facebook marketers, what they do is go to tools like Calidata, and they'll take a look and see, all right, what videos are doing well, what brands are doing well using the Calidata tool on TikTok. And then they'll download those videos and bring them over to Meta ads and launch them up as Meta ads. Now, the problem with that is, one, every dropshipper knows about that strategy and is using it. It works really well still, but now you're having to compete with everyone else that knows and has access to that same tool. The con, another con to that as well, is that a lot of products that you see there, especially on the Calidata website, are from massive brands, right? Like some of the biggest brands that are really hard to replicate and copy as a drop shipper. Now you'll see some of those same brands here that are super popular, but you'll also find a lot of hidden gems in here. And that's the cool thing about it. You'll find some really cool hidden gems. And then you'll also be able to see people that are launching these as drop shippers on TikTok and then finding some success with creators and then launching it as ads. So I'm going to break it all down and it'll make sense in just a moment. Up here in the top hand side, you can see which videos are going viral on which day of the week. I always just leave it to the most recent day. You can filter for certain products if you know there's a product that you want to look at. But this is really important here, which is the filter. You can see videos that are going viral within this window of time, right? Whether it be any time, 1 day, 3 day, or 5 days. You can pick videos that are doing well organically, right? So the strategy that I would personally use, I'll share that with you in just a moment. You can pick if it's a certain male or female. I don't know how their AI is this good to detect if it's a male or female. Yeah, I didn't think so, because we just hit gender male, and unless this is
how's it going?
Videos predominantly, like the interest is predominantly male, this I would just ignore it. I don't really know how they would do that. And then you can see view growth, total views, likes, and comments. The one thing you can't see with this tool is sales, and that's why Calidata is still a really good tool to kind of see like how well a brand is doing. But we can pretty much get really good insight on products here without even necessarily needing to see how many sales they're doing, just by the total views, engagement, and if the product or the brand is launching ads on it, which we can see here. But this is what I personally like to do. I like to see videos that are going viral within the last 1 to 3 days. So I'll just hit the filter option here, hit 1 day, and we'll see a ton of easy drop shipping products that aren't like partnered with massive brands. And we'll find a ton of things that we can easily drop ship. Like, for example, this product here. Right, so this seems like a puffy laptop sleeve, right? I feel like I've seen this before, but what we can do is we can even just screenshot this here, screenshot this and save it, and then go to pull it up here and search for it, and then boom, just like that, we can find a listing for this exact product here, right? So we now have the listing. Took 2 seconds to find that listing. We know that, okay, they've sold a ton of units recently. There's good positive reviews. And now if I'm going to find a product and launch it as an ad, I can now find this product here that just went viral 18 hours ago, and I can download this and launch it as an ad and test it. I can also go to the creator's page and see if they made any more videos, right? So this is the one that's going viral right now. Okay, they haven't made any more videos, unfortunately, but we now can see, okay, this is the product. And then I could probably even search and try to find more creators. And I could also just go to Calidata and search it up and see if the product has started to register some sales. The thing with Calidata is always like 2 to 3 days behind on their data, and their data is never always fully accurate as well as far as sales and conversions. And then videos as well on Calidata take about 2 to 3 days after going viral to actually populate into the dashboard. So that's one of the annoying things. But you have a ton of easy dropshipping products here that you can look for and try to dropship. Microfiber cloth, something like that I probably wouldn't, but this pillow seems pillowcase that seems like it's a magnetic clamp. That seems really good. Lightsaber.
Damon.
So you'll find a ton of videos that can do well, that are doing well organically within the last day or 3 days. And then the real secret sauce, right? Although you can't see how much a brand is generating in sales with a product with just the daily virals, what we can do is just optimize for ad types or video types that are being ran with paid ads. If someone's paying money on a video, there's a good chance that the click-through rate and the sales and conversions are pretty solid for that. Or else it wouldn't be, people wouldn't be necessarily spending money on it. So we can find some of these videos here for products that people are now launching on paid ads with, which are some interesting products here. And now we'll take a look and see, okay, is there anything interesting that is now just going viral that I can easily drop ship, right? So there's this like outfit here. This definitely looks, I normally would never recommend drop shipping clothes. In fact, I'm not even gonna waste my time looking that up. That probably is on Calidata somewhere, or on AliExpress somewhere, but drop shipping clothes is so difficult. Okay, we have this here. Hydro Jug Sport, water bottle with handle, simple flip straw. That's now going viral. 10,000 sales, right? That's crazy. You have this portable fan, right? It's summertime now. This I've seen a million times, for sure. But guys, something else as well that's really interesting to note. Products don't really ever get saturated. I think marketing angles do though. So someone could be promoting a product that maybe has gone viral in the past, but they can get it to go re-viral again and make a ton of money because they are using a different marketing angle. That's why TikTok is so interesting and great, because people are so creative and creators come up with unique UGC style videos that can take an old saturated product and make it re-viral again. So something like this portable fan, summertime too. So this is a good product to promote. And the creator of this product, or the owner, the brand, is running ads on this. Why is this important? Because this isn't like some typical like massive brand like Goalie or Nello. This is a dropshipper as well. This person is a dropshipper on the TikTok shop, and they're dropshipping this product and running ads. So that means it's profitable for them, right? Now this margin is really ridiculous, so they probably wholesale this. So that's not a good metric to look at, because no one's going to be paying. You're not going to be able to find a product this affordable. Like, you're not going to be able to sell it and make actual money on this unless you buy in bulk and you get a discounted rate. But we can look for some really cool like things like this, right? Supplements do really good on Facebook, right? So this lymphatic drainage, right? So this is for people that have puffy faces and puffy necks and stuff like that. I know a lot of people use their different tools to kind of drain their face and stuff like that. But this seems like there's a supplement. There's this creator here. The product is doing good, has sold a decent amount. A lot of positive reviews. Now let's see if we can find this, right? We can turn this into a subscription service. There's a lot of things we can do with this. Also, perceived value and supplements are just naturally higher. So we can always charge more, which is really, really dope. Let's see if it's on AliExpress by chance. Okay. Maybe not. But I'm sure if you were to look, you'll find something, right? If you, depending on the supplier and who you use, I'm sure you can find something like this. I wonder if, is that the name of this brand? Nature's Sunshine. I wonder if they have anything else. Nope. Okay. AliExpress isn't the best, by the way, for looking up and sourcing. If you want a better supplier and finding like good products to dropship, stay to the end of the video because I got something really nice for you. Also, I'm going to show you how you can actually sign up for this tool here and get the first month free as well in just a moment. Yeah, so you have a ton of different things here, guys, like that you can easily find. And the cool thing about it is it's like you're gonna, if you just sit here and like scroll for a little bit, you'll find like hidden products that you probably wouldn't have thought otherwise to even dropship. And then on top of that, you have the videos that you can easily use to then go out and test, right? Because the hardest part about dropshipping outside of finding the product and the supplier is finding creatives to actually convert and scale your brand, right? So this is my favorite tool for this. It's underrated. It probably is going to get patched. Enough people are going to eventually see it. So if you're watching this or you're amongst the first 10,000 people to watch this video, definitely like and comment. Let me know that you were some of the first to watch it. But this tool, I really like it because unlike most kind of tools and spyware tools and stuff like that, they're pretty expensive. The daily virals actually comes with a ton of additional benefits outside of the platform itself. For one, it actually comes with a Discord that you can use and join in on and see some other like underrated products and videos that people are sharing. So this is the Discord. They have some really cool features and stuff like that. Primarily, this is going to be for TikTok shop affiliates. But again, like if you're really struggling with coming up with content ideas, I recommend joining in on the Discord. It's free to join once you sign up with their subscription. And then you can come in here in a content dump and you'll be able to actually find a ton of people sharing different video ideas and stuff like that attached to some really good underrated products as well. I don't use this too often, but hey, every now and again I come here. And for those of you struggling with creating good creatives and stuff like that, this is a really good channel to be a part of because you'll see some of the top affiliates that create the most viral videos on the platform come in here and share their thoughts, share some videos that are working for them and what's not working. So you can definitely come in here and get some inspiration as well. I want to help you save some money. So the daily virals is about $55 a month normally, but if you click the link in the description and use the special code, you'll actually get the first month entirely for free. All you got to do is go to that link in the description. I'll ask you to sign up and you just put your email that you want to use to sign up. And then when you go to pay here, just go to add promotion code and just paste this code in and then hit apply. And then you can see here your first month is 100% free, right? And then following that, the following months will normally be $55 a month. So that's all you need to do there to get access to that. Go have fun. Go start looking at some really dope products. Hit me up on Instagram if you haven't already and shoot me a message if you want to reach out, get any tips or advice on anything. Subscribe if you haven't. I give out free sauce like this that most dropshippers will never share with you all the time. So it's worth just getting to subscribe. You could always change your mind later if you really hate my content for some reason. With that being said, guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.